Happening right now. Jesse is very happy. Look at this new microwave right here. Oh my.
It's a big one. Okay.
Look at the excitement on her face. Oh my.
Come, Zach, help.
Come on, Zach, help us.
This special process. Oh my god.
Here we go.
I didn't use scissors. Rip it.
Oh gosh. Gotta get in close on this one.
Look.
Oh my.
Pull. No.
You're gonna dump it over on the floor.
Here we go. We're gonna go into a different room. Dump it.
That wasn't even on purpose either.
Oh my gosh.
Careful.
Deliver it. Deliver. It's out. It's out.
Oh my
Look
gosh.
at this turntable. Oh, would you look at this?
This smells nothing. Would you look at that?
Would you look at that?
Oh, would you look at this?
I can't get it open.
Get it from the top.
Would you look at this?
Are you looking at it?
Oh, what is it?
It's a book. Would you look at this turntable? Would you look at this?
Oh my.
It's
Oh
glass.
my gosh.
Glass. Would you look at this?
We gotta plug it in.
Look at this. Oh, would you look at this?
Plug it in. Come on, guys.
I doesn't reach.
Pull closer, Jesse.
We gotta bring it this way. Bring it this way. Bring it this way. Bring it this way.
Are you looking at it?
Look at this.
It's in.
Huh? Look at that light. Oh, it's on.
Hold on.
Would you look at that light?
Should we start it?
Yes.
Make sure it works.
Yes.
44 seconds. Here we go.
Ah!
You gotta read the directions. Oh, wait, it's done? Is it done?
Would you look at that?
It works.
Oh, would you look at that? Where's the time?
It is not 12H.
Yes.
What time is it?
I don't know. Well,
1, 2, 3, 4, 25.
oh, would you look at that? It's the time.
Oh, would you look at that?
Whoa.
This is super exciting right now. I'm kind of scared right now. I did.
Yeah, it's
Jesse,
on right now.
actually, Jesse did it, even though you told me to.
The sticker must come off. I can't get it. My nail. I just cut my nails. Oh, my nail! What?
Brittany, you gonna come join us?
No.
We kind of gotta unveil the microwave, and you totally missed it.
Oh, great. Yeah, that video. I'll see you watch.
Yeah. So. Yeah. Well, we're kind of done here. So bye.